Hello folks, Midwest Audi here. Today we're going to work on my sister's 2019 Audi A8. It's a V6. Now we've been having some telltale symptoms of a bad PCV air oil separator. What we're going to do in this video is replace that unit and see what it does for her car. This isn't meant to be a step-by-step. It's mainly for laughs and giggles. Here we go. Luckily the engine's already cool. We just have to remove this engine cover. So that's the unit right there. We got to remove this guy. I think I'll be able to access it without having to remove this heat shield. There we go. All right, moving down the tube, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this hose right here that connects to it. If I remove this and this, then I'll be able to move this up and out of the way so that I can fully access the oil separator. So that comes off. Okay, so now I can push this up and out of the way. So this is the air oil separator. We got one screw right here, here, and then one's back here, right here, and right here. It takes a T30s, so what we're going to do is remove it. Force it all in order to loosen up these screws. All right, take this guy out. Well, that's what it looks like. Some oil deposits. I'm going to clean this mating surface a little bit here. Wipe it down with a nice microfiber cloth. That's probably clean enough. This is the old unit. So I don't know what this stuff is. Probably just some sort of oily deposit or something. What we're going to do is we're going to need to take out this oil fill port, and then we're going to need to reuse this flap. So I'm just going to take it out. There we go. We won't be reusing the gasket, but that's what it looks like inside. If you guys want me to, like, I don't know, break this thing so we can see what it looks like piece by piece, let me know in the comments. So I'm gonna wipe this guy down. The symptoms we were getting were oil leaking out from this area, and so we suspect that there's a lot of oil pressure being built up inside the engine crankcase, and then pushing out the oil through the fill cap here. So I'll set these guys aside. Here we go. Brand new unit, new screws. So I also bought a gasket here, so we'll install that guy. Okay. Put the gasket on. I do wonder if this gasket needs to be oiled, but I looked online and I didn't see that it needs to. Let me know in the comments if you think it should. It's a little crazy that the gasket and the oil separator itself are sold as two different parts. But yeah, this is what the old gasket looks like. You can see that it's almost flush with the oil separator. This guy should just go right on here. Well, that guy goes on there, and then we'll head back to the engine and then install this guy. Well, my sister's insisting we clean out some of these deposits, and if anything happens, well, it's her car. Stop laughing, kid. It's nice that it comes with new screws, so we don't have to reuse the old ones. Slow and steady here so that we ensure an even load across the screws. All right, well, unfortunately, I'm not able to get in that last screw because of the heat shield. So what we're going to do is remove the heat shield. Maybe a 10. This guy, might have to just move this guy. Making sure the screw goes down straight. There we go. From the inside outwards. Jump over here. All right, and then jump over here. Button that guy up. Heat shield back on here. No kinks in this cable. This is good. Okay. And then we gotta put these guys on. The little mounting points for engine cover. I'm just doing snug on these guys. I think next time we do this, I'm gonna have my sister try to do it all. See if she remembers. Or is able to use this video to help. Next thing I'm gonna do is put these hoses back in here. I'm gonna put this guy in first. Put the engine cover back on. Should be ready to start. Alrighty folks, well we took it for a spin and it's definitely idling significantly smoother. MPG has improved significantly as well. Alright folks, I know this is a little bit different than what we're used to working on Asian vehicles and my F-150, but this was a nice change of pace. Alright, well hey, have a great weekend, okay? Bye now. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. On this channel, I'm on a mission to reach 500,000 miles on my 2021 F-150. Along the way, you can expect regular updates, in-depth product reviews, live streams, and more. Subscribe now to stay up to date and be part of the journey.